around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? We headed out here to this next call. We just got for a, I believe it's a 19 FordEscape. Unknown reasons on why it needs to be towed. But if we end up taking it, it's gonna be a nice little ride. Going north up to 17 to Camp Verde. We 2 miles out from it, man. So let's get out here and see what's up with it. See what's going on with it. Hopefully it's 2-wheel, front wheel drive. So that way we can snatch it and go for a nice little ride up the mountain. Get some windshield time in. So stick around, stay tuned. I'll catch you back on when we get there. Oh, boy. How's it going?
Yeah.
Better days, I'm here, right?
I have.
All right. What's going on with it?
So I'm going to get the words wrong because I'm having a rough day.
Okay.
So there's a piece that goes on the bottom that protects the engine.
Mm-hmm. The skid plate?
Sure.
Okay.
And we've had it replaced like 3 times.
Okay.
And the last time it had to, well, this last time, it like damaged the transmission. So we had to have the whole transmission rebuilt. And they replaced the plate. Well, the plate was recalled back in 2024 before I bought the car.
Okay.
But they didn't redesign the plate. They just replaced them.
So now you got the same problem going on?
Yes. So we drove it. We've been driving it, and the plate has come loose again.
No! Okay.
So the place we took it last, like, they have a guarantee. Like, we guarantee. So we called them, like, it's loose. Like, oh, well, don't drive it. You need to get it towed up here. And I was like, okay. So.
And that's where it's going up to like Camp Verde, right?
Yeah, Rimrock. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's right off the freeway, though. You take that exit into Rimrock, and it's right.
Is that the correct address?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's right across the street from the gas station.
Okay.
The big blue garage.
Now, is your vehicle, is it front wheel drive or is it all wheel drive?
Front wheel.
Okay. Front wheel drive. Okay. Okay.
Give me a hell yeah!
Will it run enough to get out to the street?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just makes a horrible knocking sound because that plate's knocking up against the thing, and so.
Well, maybe I won't start it if I can just get the ignition on, get it into neutral, and just kind of let it coast out here.
I mean, we can do that.
Okay.
We can start it. We can back it out. We can.
Okay. Let me move my truck forward.
Okay.
And then we can do that.
Okay. My fob is dead.
Is it the fob or you think it's how long has the car sat here?
A long time.
Yeah, it might be the car that's dead.
Oh, I hope the car's not dead.
So there might be a way. Can I see that real quick?
I'm gonna go back over here where I'm sturdy.
Well, okay. So here, let me show you this.
What's the trick?
See this?
Yeah, there's the key inside.
The key is inside of it, right?
I always forget about that part. And I can never get it out until it's time to change the batteries.
Oh yeah, it don't want to come out, does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had to make sure it was, I'm like, yeah, this is for this car. I make sure I didn't have my husband's key.
Stupid.
That's weird. It should just
Pop out. This car.
There we go. So you just got to pull it from there. So that should. All right. Oh, it's dead. It's dead. Okay. I got a jump box. We can add some power to it. And
Like, put that battery to the.
yeah, I would. All right, let me go grab my jump box and we'll at least add some power to it.
Okay.
Okay. We are not gonna start it. We just gonna let her coast. All right. That lady's pretty cool. Lucky for us, it's two-wheel drive. So we're gonna get some nice little windshield time in. Something that I have not gotten in a while. I'm doing all these local calls. And there we go with that 2-wheel drive action. All right, let's get this thing secured to the truck. So that way we can go ahead and move our way up the road on this nice 100-mile tow. All right, we got it all hooked up, good to go. Let's hop on the road, do this 100 miles, get this thing to the drop.
Jessica said he was except she had 5%.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely. I'm glad she had a good time. All right, we got that one dropped off. Nice little windshield time. 94-mile trip, one way, just under 200 round trip. That's cool though, man, because that was my last call. Headed back in now, so we can go home. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.